Okay, so I recorded this video a couple weeks ago, but I made some changes, and basically I'm going to show you guys kind of a tour as to the not the modifications, but the radio stuff that I have put in my HHR. It's a 2008 Chevy HHR. Overall, it's been a great car. I got 120,000 miles on it. And as you can see, I got two antennas there. One is a CB antenna and one is a scanner antenna. Basically what I've done is I have a hard L mount here that you can see that I've done on both sides. And this one, my CB antenna, this is a Road Pro 3-foot CB antenna. It's just a fiberglass whip. I tested a whole bunch of different antennas, and for some reason this thing seems to be the absolute best. For whatever reason, I don't know. This one was a 4-foot Superflex antenna that I got at a truck stop, and it was really super flexible, but for some reason it just did not like, or my CB radio did not like it at all. And what I did is I just cut it down. Oh, I can't remember. It was like 22 or 24 inches or something like that. But it's basically going to my scanner. And what I've done is basically just drilled some holes here on the hatch, and basically wire tied it all in. And what I did is made a little L here for the grounding, because these little hatches don't actually ground, so it performs really well on both. What I need to do is add another little L on this side, but something else that I wanted to point out is that these L brackets, for some strange reason, if you put a continuity meter just like on one side to some other part on it, it doesn't conduct. It may conduct on, like a scientific level, but if you put continuity on there, it doesn't do anything. I don't know if there's some kind of coating or what, but where all the metal, the screw, the bolts, and where the ground of the antenna connects, I actually had to just take a little Dremel tool and grind off some of the outside coating so that it's actually conducting. I don't know if all L brackets are that way, but these are just ones that I bought at the truck stop, and once I got those grounded properly, it performed a lot better. And I did that on both sides, as you can see. Well, you can't see the grounding, but I promise I did it, and grounded off the paint on the body of the car, and it's all properly on there. So yeah, there you guys can see. Nothing too special. So yeah, that's the antenna setup. So let me go inside here and show you guys the scanner. So basically what it is a BCT8 scanner, tracking scanner. See if it'll pick anything up here. And I'm actually fairly far away from the city right now. About 12-15 miles. I'm just at a lake recording this. So basically I pick up quite a few different weather channels.
Light and variable winds through the sea.
There's three that come in really good. And then on this one, number 3, that comes in fairly, it's very spotty. Sometimes I pick it up good, sometimes I don't, but that one, that particular station where that's coming from, where I'm at, is actually about 200 miles away, which is freaking insane.
Your National Weather Service radio station, WXC-85 in Oklahoma City, operating on a frequency.
Alright, I'm trying to get some parts straight.
Like I said, I'm quite a far away from.
No. Turn left at the next taxiway. We got a aircraft waiting on departure.
Like I said, I'm pretty far away from the city. But and then the second thing is my Colt CB radio.
About a while ago, come on.
Break 19 for a radio check. There was a couple guys talking on here. Let's see if
How about you, Mikey the maggot? You got a copy there, good buddy? Coming to you, buddy. I'm coming over. Better get ready.
Break 19 for a radio check.
It's working.
10-4, thank you.
Where you at?
I am at Lake Draper.
10-4 Draper. Sound good out here about Road 949.
Awesome.
Hornets and Mudbug, that's for sure. Everybody knows Hornets and Mudbug.
Yeah. So there we go. That's my Colt 355. I think it's tuned to about, I want to say 8 to 10 watts. It performs absolutely outstanding, way better than I thought it was going to. So anyways, I know I'm kind of jumping around here. Here's my... The scanner is hooked up to this external speaker here that I basically made like a little U bracket that goes like this, and it basically just kind of sits in between that little gasket there. And I mean, it's pretty sturdy. So and what I did for the CB radio is basically just drilled some bolts there, and it goes to the top of the I don't know if it'll see it, but to the top of the sunroof, and I put some water sealant there to keep, you know, any water from coming in. And if I ever decide to sell or get rid of this car, I can just put like some plastic grommets on this side to make it look decent, and then just some normal bolts on the actual sunroof side. So there's that. And basically what I did for the wire is I just ran it on the scanner, is ran on the bottom, and then on the CB radio it's ran through the headliner. So all the wires are hidden, and it works pretty good. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, like I said, this picking up quite a far away. So and the next thing that I want to get is basically a trucker GPS, or a GPS with like a 5 or 6 inch, maybe 7 inch screen, so that I can put in this little compartment here. I saw some GPSs that were supposed to be coming out that had it was like a GPS and weather, sort of like a little weather system combo. It kind of sort of showed you your local radar of where you were, and I think it ran off of like a 3G or 4G network, but that was pretty cool, and it'd be nice to have a little something inside that little compartment. I used to have just a tiny GPS in there, but that's something that I may end up putting in. So yeah, this little setup works good for me, and I've got this actually wired in also, basically piggybacked off the external speaker. So if I want to turn, let me turn this on here. Try to do this with one hand.
Testing. System ready.
That's just my radar detector.
Tonight, partly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of thunderstorms 20%.
There you go.
Saturday, partly cloudy. 646.
You've got mail.
So yeah, there you guys have it. Nothing too special, just showing my little setup there, and yeah,